Hello my lovely YouTubers. Today we are going to try and get the perfect balloon pop sound. So I'm going to pump up the balloon and the idea is to get it to pop on a separate audio track. Now, I read somewhere that the bangs represent the sound of the room. So let's go into another room. That sounded pretty much the same as in there. Are you ready? Let's wait for that wind. Let's go. Same distance. Now we'll go into the shed. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of the Tangobaldy Show. Remember, I recorded it on level 5 and I shall improve my pops because a lot of the time I've been popping in, hang on, I can hear myself. A lot of the time I've been doing my pops and fiddling around with the pop in editing. That's the word, isn't it? Post edit or whatever. So it'd be nice to get a natural sounding pop. So just have a mic specifically to capture the bangs. So we'll see you again soon. And I really am working on that long video. I just went to sleep this afternoon. You know when you eat loads of food, you think, I had 4 Kit Kats. Oh man, Barry. So I'll see you again soon. Bye. Hello my lovely, hello and welcome to the Tangobaldy Show. Today we are going to seek perfection on bursting a balloon and capturing that sound perfectly. Now I'm going to have a bit of a problem here. Bang! 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 Well, that's probably a bit loud for you guys. Bang! 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 Right, I've set the microphone to number 4 and we're going to just blow pop that. And I need to be exactly in front of the microphones. How about I step back here? And you would like to see, maybe you'd like to see what I'm using. How's that? So I need the microphone to be at the right height. That's probably too close now. You can't win with this, can you? Let's put it further back. So I want to get the sound. I don't want it to... So let's stop this again.